Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Subaru Legacy Lancaster. It does come with 68,722 original miles. It has a 3.0 six-cylinder boxer engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is a four-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. And then the number down here, 110,679. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 68,722. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate y'all. It does mean the world to us. And do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.